Please welcome Yusuf.
Yeah, my name is Yusuf Garba.
I'm feeling a lot of people are pretending.
I just love to entertain people.
I feel like I'm needing a love.
You must now pick a fellow housemate as your deputy.
Yusuf.
You now have exclusive access to the head of house lounge.
Actually, I came to this house to find love. At first, I liked Nini because my crush. Oh, that's the reason why she's there. I love your Indomie. Like, angels trying to point me out. Like, I have this feeling, okay. I don't know, did I offend you? I love dance, just that I don't know how to dance.
Kindly confirm your veto.
Yusuf.
I don't know why he picked me.
But now I'm here because I kept walking.